we will study lessons 3 and 4. Okay, we are talking here about the sensing of the environment. Sensing of the environment. We have studied in the last lessons, if you remember, we have studied the nervous system, the parts of the nervous system. Yes, Ahmed, Amgad, yes, Ahmed, we are all in this session for A and for B. We are together today, yes. This extra session for all, for A and for B, okay? And this is available, the not a must. You can see, you can hear the recording and watch the recording if you don't attend, if you are outside, if you are in a trip, if you don't attend, you can watch the recording at any time. The Saturday session is not a must, it's not obligate for all. You can watch the recording at any time on Classera, okay? Okay, but we have to take extra sessions because you know the curriculum is very long and we have to move faster in the curriculum, okay? I know you are heroes and you can help me in ending and finishing the curriculum. Inshallah, I will send the recording in my YouTube channel and on Classera, inshallah. Okay, my son. Now, let's go talking about sensing of the environment. Sensing of the environment. You can answer on the chat. Now I'll mute your mic because you will answer on the chat. You will answer on the chat, okay? We are all receiving information from the surrounding environment. And the system which helps us to receive information and send the suitable response is the nervous system. As you know, what is the system which helps us to sense and to receive information, and which system helps us to respond to different stimuli? Who can write on the chat? What is the system in your body which helps you to respond and to receive information? Very good, Ahmed Mustafa. The nervous system. Excellent, my son. The nervous system. You can write your answer on the chat, okay? Excellent, Suhaib. Excellent, Ahmed Mustafa. The nervous system help you to receive. Very good, Muhammad and Ahmed Helmi. Nervous system. Very good. Okay? The nervous system help you to receive information from the surrounding environment. This information may be things that you can see, or things that you can hear, or things that you can smell, or things that you can taste, or things you can touch, you feel by different sense organs. And you have 5 sensations, and you know we have 5 sensations. When we depend on our 5 sensations, we depend on our 5 sensations to receive information from the surrounding environment. We receive information from the surrounding environment by the help of the nervous system, and the 5 sense organs are a part of the nervous system. Okay, you know that? The eye, the nose, the ear, the skin, and the tongue, all of them are part of the nervous system. They are called the sensory organs, and always they send information to the brain. They receive information from the surrounding environment and send the messages to the brain. هذه أعضاء الحس تستقبل المعلومات من المحيط، من الوسط المحيط، من البيئة المحيطة. We receive information by the sense organs. نستقبل المعلومات بواسطة أعضاء الإحساس المختلفة. The eye، العين، the ear، الأذن، the nose، الأنف، the tongue، اللسان، the skin، الجلد. And when we receive information by these sense organs, the sense organs send electrical pulses or electrical messages to the brain. The messages reach the brain and move through the nerves and move through the spinal cord until they reach the brain. And you know that the brain is the main control part of the nervous system. The brain receives this information and understands it, interprets this information. It understands this information. المخ يستقبل هذه الإشارات ويبدأ في التعامل معها وتفسيرها وفهم هذه الإشارات، فهم هذه المعلومات. When you are looking at a tree, your eyes sees a tree, but doesn't understand what is it. Your eye doesn't know what is it. But when the eye sends a message to the brain translates this is a tree. The brain interprets and say this is a tree. Okay? And when you see a car or you listen to a car horn, your ears doesn't know the meaning of this sound. But when the message is sent from the ear to the brain interpret and understand and process this information. المخ يستقبل الإشارة ويبدأ في ترجمتها ويبدأ في فهمها. المخ هو المكان الحقيقي للإحساس. The brain is the real center of a sensation. The sense organs only receive information and send messages to the brain. أعضاء الإحساس المختلفة تستقبل المعلومات وترسلها للمخ، والمخ هو الذي يفهم المعلومة ويترجم المعلومة ويتعامل مع المعلومة. And after that, the brain sends a suitable response after receiving and interpreting the information or the message from the sense organs. عندما يستقبل المخ هذه المعلومات يبدأ المخ في ترجمتها وفهمها. Interpret and understand this information. And the brain start to send a response, a suitable response. يبدأ المخ في إرسال الرد المناسب. رسالة أخرى يرسلها المخ لأعضاء الحس. فمثلا when you touch a spine by your hand, when touch a spine by your hand, ماذا يحدث؟ Orphocactus. When somebody, this girl is touching a spine by her hand, what happened now? If you want to answer, tell me. What happened now? I will tell you, and I ask somebody to repeat the answer. I will tell you the answer, and I will ask somebody to repeat the answer. Now you touch a spine by your finger or by your hand. Your skin has a sense endings. Your skin has a sensory endings and sensory nerves. So the sensory nerve receives this information. This is a spine may hurt your skin, and there is an information or a message, a nerve pulse, an electrical pulse or electrical message sent from your skin to the brain. Yeah, and the very good Muhammad and Ahmed Helmi, your brain or your spinal cord respond directly and they order your hand to move away from the spine. Very good. And this is withdrawing the hand fast. Withdrawing the hand fast. Yeah. So Sohaib is saying the hand tell the brain. Yeah, the hand send a message to the brain or to the spinal cord, and the brain or the spinal cord send an order, another message to move your hand away, to withdraw your hand, away. So you move your hand very fast. And this we can call a reflex action. A reflex action. We can call this a reflex action. Reflex action. This reflex action is happening quickly, very quickly, because the message is sent very fast. The message is sent from the skin to the nerve, then to the spinal cord, then to the brain. It's sent very fast, and the order come again from the brain to the arm to move. Also very fast. The messages are very fast. I need somebody to tell me again what happened if you touch a thorn or a hot body. I need Muhammad or Ahmed. Somebody tell me what happened. I open your mic now.
Yes.
Tell me what happened when you touch a spine or a hot body.
You withdraw the hand fast.
You will withdraw your hand fast. Why? What happened in your nervous system? You are Muhammad or Ahmed?
Flat. Muhammad.
Okay, Muhammad. Tell me, Muhammad, what happened in your nervous system when you touch a hot body or you touch a spine of a cactus plant? What happened?
Reflex action.
Reflex action, yeah. What is the steps of the reflex action? Can you tell me what is the steps of the reflex action? A message. Start from the message from your skin to the brain. There is a message sent from the skin to the brain. through the nerves and through the spinal cord. And the brain or the spinal cord send another message. Another message, because the brain or the spinal cord interprets this message, understands this message. يبدأ في التعامل and process this message. يبدأ في التعامل مع هذه الرسالة ويرسل رسالة أخرى and send another message to the hand to move away quickly. So this is the steps of the reflex action. You withdraw your hand fast because there is a message sent from the skin to the brain and another message from the brain to the hand to move your hand fast. And you know the spinal cord play an important role also, not only the brain. In the reflex action, the spinal cord is very important because it may be faster than the brain. It sends the reflex, the order to move your hand quickly may be faster than the brain. Okay? Now I have another question. What happened when a rat hear a snake or a jerboa see a snake? What happened when a rat or a jerboa see a snake or hear a snake? I am waiting your answer on the chat. Okay, Malik and Suhaib, I am waiting the answer. What happened when the rat or the jerboa see or hear a snake? I am waiting your answer on the chat. Jump fast. Very good, Muhammad and Ahmed Hilmi. Very good, Malik. It run fast. Very good. The jerboa or the snake run fast. Very good, my son. Very good. Suhaib, what are you writing, Suhaib? Write one word only. Suhaib, not like this on the chat, please, Suhaib. Okay? Behave on the chat. Write one word only. It run fast and jump fast. Very good. It jump very fast. What happened in the nervous system of the rat or the jerboa? Okay? Who can tell me what happened in the nervous system of the rat or the jerboa? What happened in the nervous system? If you know the answer, raise your hand. What happened? Omar Kamal is raising a hand. Now I open the mic of Omar Kamal. Not Omar Kamal, it is Ahmad Mustafa is raising a hand now. Ahmad Mustafa, okay? Ahmad, you can talk.
Yes, Miss.
What happened in the nervous system of the snake or the jerboa?
When jerboa hears the snake, a jerboa can run away.
Very good, very good. It jump very fast. It jump very fast. By the help of what? The help of nervous system. What is the system which work with this information? The nervous system. The hearing sense. The ears see, or the eyes can see the snake and the ears hear the snake. So the ears and the eyes send a message to the brain, and the brain send an order or another message, response. The brain send a response to the body organs, especially to the legs, to jump fast away from the snake. And this is the response time is very short. This response time is very short. The reaction time is very short. Remember, the reaction time is very short. The action time is very short, you know, because it have to run fast from the snake. The reaction time is very short because the nervous system is very, very accurate. The brain sends a message quickly to the legs to jump. Okay, very good. And the reaction time, it is the time between receiving the information and sending the response. It is the time, the reaction time, it is the time between receiving the information and sending the response. Very good. Who can tell me what's meant by the reaction time? Who can tell me about the reaction time? Omar Kamal, are you ready to tell me what is meant by reaction time?
Yes.
What is the reaction time?
Time taken by body.
Yes, it is the time taken by the body to by organism's body to respond to danger. It is a time taken by the organism's body to respond to the danger. Okay? It is a reaction time. It is the time taken by the body to respond to a danger. Okay? Remember, it is the time taken by the body to respond to the danger, to receive information and send the response. And the Jerboa time, reaction time is very fast. It is very fast. Is it okay? Thank you, ya Omar. Thank you, my son. Let's go back again here to the Jerboa. We are talking here about the Jerboa, the Egyptian Jerboa. Okay? Here we have to know that the nervous system responsible for keeping the living organism away from danger. We have to know that the nervous system the nervous system help in keeping the organism away from danger. Okay? So the rat or the Jerboa escape away from the snake by the help of the nervous system, by the help of the nervous system. I will show you now a video because you are excellent. I will show you a video about this. Now, I'll show you a video about the Jerboa, how Jerboa can escape from the snake. Can you see the video? Can you see the video?
Yeah, mister. It's very fast.
What is happening now?
It's jumping very fast.
Muhammad Ibrahim.
Mister,
Only Ahmed Muhammad Ibrahim.
Mister, that rat or
Jerboa.
that gerbil, it can't see the snake because
see and hear. See and hear, okay?
He can see and hear and jump.
The snake,
and be fast.
He jump very fast because the nervous system is very fast.
Survive himself.
The reaction time of the Jerboa is how much? How much? Is it 2 minutes or 3 minutes or some seconds only?
Some seconds only.
Yeah, very few seconds because the reaction time is very fast. Because the nervous system of the Jerboa is very fast and accurate. Can you see it jump in a zigzag shape? The legs, the back legs, the hind legs are very long and very strong. The muscles.
Mister, stop the video.
Can you see the video?
Yeah, I can see it.
Now it jumps very fast in zigzag shape by the help of the hind legs, our hind limbs. They are very long hind legs and very strong muscles.
To survive himself.
Here, yeah, the nervous system helps the organism to survive. Very good, my son. Excellent, my son. Now let's read about the Jerboa, Egyptian Jerboa, okay? Let's read about the Egyptian Jerboa. This is from rodents. Rodents means like it has some teeth, like the rat or like the mouse. It is from rodents, okay? Jerboa from rodents, okay? Remember, rodents have 2 teeth only in front of their mouth and 2 teeth only in the back jaw and in the upper jaw and 2 teeth only in the upper jaw. Jerboa, if you want to draw the teeth of the Jerboa, for example, if this is the mouth of the Jerboa, okay, It has 2 teeth in the upper jaw and only 2 teeth in the lower jaw. Only 2 teeth here. And also 2 teeth in the lower jaw. This is the rodents. The meaning of rodents, they have two teeth in the upper jaw and 2 teeth in the lower jaw. This is the meaning of rodents, okay? So the mouse or the rat can cut anything and can tear anything by these teeth, these strong teeth. So this is the meaning of rodents. The meaning of rodents, it has what? It has upper teeth, 2 upper teeth and 2 lower teeth only. So it can cut the wood or the paper. It can scratch anything by these teeth, okay? This is the meaning of rodents, like mouse, like rat, like jerboa, okay? So the jerboa is like a rat or a mouse, but it has a very long legs. The very long legs, large muscles in the back legs or the hind legs only. The hind legs have a very strong muscles and they are very tall. They are very long. And also the ears are very long. The ears of the jerboa are very also long. It has a very long ears. Why it has a very long ears? Right on the chat. Why it has a very long ears and very long ears? Why the ears are very long, very big? Very large ears. Why? Why very are ya Ahmed? Ya Amjad. To hear strong, very good. To hear very well, very good. To have a strong hearing sense. Amjad. Why the ears are very large? The ears of the jerboa are very large. To hear to hear more stronger. To hear more stronger. Very well, very good. And they have also long hind legs. The legs are very long. Why the legs are very long? Here, the legs, the hind legs are very long. Why? Okay, Amjad. Okay. Why the very good, Ahmed Mustafa. The hind legs are very long to jump fast. Very good, yeah, Hamza. Very good. Okay, Hamza. It can hear from 100 kilometers. Okay, no problem. To jump, Muaz, very good. Muhammad and Ahmed Henry, very good. To jump higher and higher. To jump higher and higher and very fast. Very good, Malik. Very good, everybody. Thank you, everybody. I need somebody to tell me more about the jerboa. So, hi, can you tell me more about the jerboa? What is the adaptation in the jerboa?
Yeah.
What is the adaptation in the jerboa? Very good, Muaz and Hamza. Very good, Amjad. Yes. Tell me, Sohaib, what is the adaptation here in the jerboa?
It has a very fast reaction.
Very good. The reaction time is very, very fast. Very good.
Very fast. Its tiny animal with very large ears and small eyes and long hind legs.
Very good. Large hind legs. Long hind legs to jump fast and to jump very high. Very good. Excellent, my son. Thank you, my son. Okay, now let's move to another point. Let's move to another point. I need you to follow me, to listen to me carefully. The jerboa has long hind legs. Why? It has long hind legs to help in jumping long distance. To help in jumping long distance. Is it okay? And also the jerboa has feet and toes have hair. This is adaptation, very well adaptation, structural adaptation. Okay, it can catch this when it jumps, the sand when it jumps, and a zigzag path to run quickly from the danger. So it has hair on the foot to jump higher and higher and to jump in a zigzag path. This is also the structural adaptation. And zigzag path means in zigzag shape like this, in zigzag shape like this, like this, like this, like this. And you know the zigzag shape, it can jump fast and is in zigzag shape like this, okay? So the snake cannot catch it. The snake cannot catch it, okay? Okay. Also, the jerboa has a long ears or large ears. Who can tell me why it has a large ears? To help it to hear very well, very good. Okay, to help hear him to hear very well, to help him hear very well. Amgad Ahmed, we have the two classes with us, okay? Malik, we have two classes, okay? The for A and for B together, okay? Because this session is an extra session, okay? For both classes, okay? Now we move now. How jerboa body work together? Now, how does this happen? How the jerboa jump very fast? We here can say that the sensory response receptors, the sensory receptors in the ears and also in the eye, send the messages to the nervous system, to the brain, by the nerves. Send the messages to the brain. Is it okay? Okay, Malik. Okay, no problem, Malik. Focus with me, okay? The ears send the message to the nervous system, to the brain through the nerves. Then the brain interprets, translate the information, okay? Then give a suitable response by alert the legs to jump. The brain sends a suitable response to alert the legs to jump. So the response of the jerboa to jump away from the danger take less than 1 second. It takes less than 1 second. So the response is very fast. And the reaction time is very fast. The reaction time is very fast. What is meant by the reaction time? Who can tell me? What is meant by the reaction time? Who can tell me? Yes, Suhaib. Suhaib, yes, Suhaib. What is meant by reaction time?
What again?
What is meant by the reaction time?
What meaning of meant?
What is meant by ما معنى the reaction time? Are you ready or I choose another student?
Yeah, the time
No.
of
Wait, Adam, wait,
the reaction of the
You will
reaction.
طيب.
Of
The
the
time
action.
taken, yes.
It's the time taken by organisms' body to respond to danger.
Very good. It is a time taken by the organism's body to respond to the danger. Adam, can you repeat it, Adam? What is meant by reaction time?
Okay. It's the time taken by organism's body to
Respond
to
different danger. To danger. Very good, my son. Very good. And this time is very, very short in the jerboa. Okay. We have here some questions to solve. We have some questions to solve here. Okay.
Okay.
Let's solve some questions.
I'm ready.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
We have here, write the scientific term. Write the scientific term. Can you see?
Yeah.
You can see, okay. Let's you read the first question. Write the scientific term. They are the night active animals. What are they?
Bats.
Okay, what is the name? The common name. Write in the chat.
Nocturnal.
Write on the chat.
Nocturnal animal.
Very good.
Nocturnal animal.
Very
Nocturnal
good.
animal.
Very good, my son. Nocturnal animal. Very good. Nocturnal animal. Thank you, my son. The second question now for Hamza. Are you ready, Hamza? Hamza Muhammad.
Yes, teacher.
Read the second question.
I can't see there's black things.
You cannot see it?
Okay.
Can you see it now?
Yeah, I can, yes. The time taken by an animal, a human, to receive and respond to the information from the environment. milliseconds.
You remember? The time taken by the human or the animal to respond to the information, which is very fast.
Milliseconds.
It is very fast in the Jerboa.
I know it, mister. I know it.
Active in the chat, right on the chat. Do you know? Right on the chat. Omar Kamal, are you ready to answer this question, Omar Kamal?
Yes.
What
Reaction
is this time?
Reaction time.
Very good, my son. Reaction time. Very good.
I know it.
Write on the chat. If you know it and I didn't choose you, write on the chat, okay?
Okay.
Reaction time. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Excellent, my son. Everybody, very good. Amgad is the next one. Amgad, are you ready, Amgad? Yeah, your mic is open. Amgad, your mic is open. Very good, Muhammad and Ahmed Helmi. Very good, Muhammad and Ahmed Helmi. Look at the following figure, then answer.
All
you
right.
can see a figure of what system? What is the system here?
The system is brain and...
What is the name of the system? What is the name of the system first? What is the name of this system?
System. Human system.
La. What is the name of this system? What is
It's
the
brain,
system?
mister. It's brain.
What is the name of this whole system? What is the name of it?
Whole.
What is the name of this system? System. The system first. What is the name of this system? It is a nervous system. Okay, the system is the nervous system. Okay, Muhammad and Ahmed. Very good, Muhammad and Ahmed. Now, number one is what? Number one is what?
It's brain.
Yeah, very good.
Brain.
Number one is brain. Very good. Excellent, my son. Number one is brain. Excellent. I need another student to answer. Ahmed Helmi, can you answer it? Number two, Ahmed Helmi. Number two, Ahmed. Read. Number two is what?
cord.
Yeah, very good. Number two, spinal cord. Very good, my dear son, Ahmed. Spinal cord. Very good, my son. Spinal cord. This is number two. Very good, my son. Okay, number three now, I have a good student, which is Anas. Are you ready, Anas? Anas, are you ready to answer number three?
Yes.
Read. Number three is what?
Number three, nervous.
Nervous. Very good. Nervous. Very good, my son. Number three are nervous. They are nervous. Very good, my son. You are excellent. You are excellent. Thank you, Anas. I need another student, which is Hamza Muhammad. Raise your hand. If you want to answer, raise your hand. Hamza Muhammad. Are you ready, Hamza?
Mister.
يلا معنا دقيقة واحدة. We have 1 minute.
Okay.
The part that is responsible for processing the information is بسرعة. Processing the information. Quickly.
Brain.
Very good, my son. Thank you, everybody. We come to the end of the session now. You can solve many questions. You will see a worksheet on the Classera. It will be your homework, inshallah. Thank you. I love you so much. You are excellent today. Thank you very much and goodbye. Assalamu alaikum. Love you all. Love you all, my sons. Assalamu alaikum. Love you all.